Very good morning, my dear students and my friends. Welcome back to another very short video tutorials on taxonomy. Today our topic is taxonomic triad. So we are having an MCQ question. What is the first step in taxonomy? And you have some option. But to address this particular question, first we have to understand what is taxonomy and what is the triad of it. So if you understand it word by word, it is the combination of two words. The taxonomy is the combination of two words, that is the taxis and nomos. Nomos means naming, so the laws of nomenclature. It means laws and the nomenclature. So there should be a laws and there is a practice by which you name the millions of organisms in a certain way. So now we have to understand it by drawing a triangle. First you draw one triangle, so that is the triad concept. So now you write CIN at the three corners, and at the center you write T. So these are the steps in taxonomy, those are involved. First step is classification, or if you understand it technically step by step, actual first step is identification. But the components are classification, nomenclature, naming, identification and documentation. Last step is documentation, and in between you can put some characters of that particular creature. That is the part of characterization. What are the list of characteristics, properties, keys, so that way you can separate and segregate. So if you study the first step, suppose you have discovered one creature and that is beyond the scope of 1.7 millions of creatures. So you know there are 1.7 millions of biodiversity and you have discovered something very new. So first step should be identification. You have to identify it, then you have to classify it in a proper order, and then you characterize it with some information with previously discovered creature that is already been documented. Then name it, nomenclature first, second, third step, then fourth step nomenclature, then finally documentation. So if you document it in the scientific way, the proper way with the binomial nomenclature, it will be very easy for the coming generation and scientists, those who have discovered new creature. So this is the ways, and this triad concept is known as a taxonomic triad. Now when you add evolutionary connectedness, or if you add taxonomy with evolution, you will get a new concept called systematics. So systematic is another study and practice of interrelatedness of the creature. So along with these, so you have to add the evolutionary connection. Now come to the question, what is the first step in the taxonomy? You have already your answer. Now you can have another question, what are the correct sequence and step? So first is the identification, then classify, characterized, nomenclature and documentation. Now if you want to understand the better way, suppose you have a creature that is a tree, that is Mangifera indica. That is the scientific name of this plant, Mangifera indica, like mango tree, and you have a Musca indica. So this is an insect. First you have to identify it whether it is an animal or plant. So it's a plant. So first identification step is done. Then you classify it. First you identify it as an organism. Better you organize in this way. First it is an organism. It is not virus or inanimate. Then you have to classify it whether it is a plant or animal. Then you characterize it, put some characteristics, and then you name it, nomenclature. Or sometimes the nomenclature part, you can see species names are coming, same species name. So by looking at the species name, you cannot tell it is an animal or plant. And then after the nomenclature, you have to document it. So this characterization, then nomenclature, then documentation. So this is the basic concept of taxonomy. That is what I wanted you to understand. Thank you very much for watching, and share and subscribe with your friends if you find it helpful. Have a good day.